Baby, what's happening?
Oh, fireworks all over the heck of the place.
What
We
for?
just saw 4 shows on the left of the bridge and 2 shows on the right.
What for?
4th of July.
Oh, there we go. We got some.
Independence Day.
Took us about 10 minutes, but we found a station that was playing patriotic music.
Freedom from the Brits.
And the baby hen, in recognition of the veterans and the revolutionaries who made this country free,
I'm wearing red.
painted his body red today
Woo.
with the sun.
Yeah.
He is
like a
now
lobster.
lobster head, body head. How you feeling, honey head?
Crispy.
The extra crispy?
On the shoulders and the back.
Your nose is looking a little crispy. Oh, let's get this. The finale. Ooh. They're not pulling any stops here in Clearwater Beach.
We can get a view right here. Oh,
We got a good view.